Oh, Pete, does it bite you? Was he got scared?
Hello, I'm Johan.
And I'm Sanna.
And this is Ozzy. And we took a chance and bought a boat and sailed way over the ocean.
And we ended up in Povo de Varzim in Portugal.
But on the way there was some trouble we have to fix on the way.
And it was a lot of bad weather.
And even some snow
happened.
And now we're ready for the next adventure.
Ozzy is very curious. I'm trying to catch, I can't remember the name, cockatiel, I think it is. You just see his, there, the top of his feathers. Trying to give him some seeds. The seagulls were very evil to him yesterday and tried to catch him. There you are. Come on. Come. A small cockatiel, I think it is.
Yeah.
So he was scared of
seagulls are messing with them.
So he couldn't fly away. So we have to let him free here because he's a lot of biting.
Should we go up to the trees?
Yeah. He was biting me a lot, so I'm bleeding. Poor thing. Very scared. So we are going to let him loose here under the trees so he has a chance to survive.
Now it's a bit calmer.
Yeah.
I'm going to release him now.
Yeah. I don't like it, but he wants to stay with you. Oh, poor thing. Oh, in the tree. No, he wants to stay with you.
I think he's used to be with people.
He's used to people. But he is a bit scared. There he is in the tree. Sorry?
Nothing we can do.
Maybe not. Bye bye. Bye bye, little friend.
I got a new friend. You won't leave my shoulder. Mm-hmm. So we did a little bird nest here with some food and some water, and he was sitting here for quite some time. But then we were going out with Ozzy, so I went out the door, and when Sanna went out the door, the bird fly directly to Sanna and on her shoulder. And the bird can go with us out on the walk. But when Sanna goes out, the bird was flying to my shoulder, and I was on the dock out there. And then it just flew away, and he's been circling all night, and the seagulls are not so nice to him, but not much we can do. Now Sanna is out calling the bird. He doesn't want to come to our boat here, but we see what things she can do. Ozzy is waiting for Sanna. Where is Sanna? So the seagulls are flying around and watching for this unusual bird. I don't know where Sanna is. And the sun is shining, but from over there it's coming a storm. In a couple of hours we're going to have windy and blowing. And over there they are refitting a catamaran, washing and found Sanna. She's with the other ducken. Little man. Yeah. It's nothing like animals to get people together. Starting to discuss things and don't know what man that is. Let's see if I can climb out up here and see over the dock here. No, I don't know. It's no Norwegian or no sis. Yeah, where's Mama? He followed me back into the boat again. See if he wants to go to his bird nest. No.
Maybe if I...
See.
För önskelistor och ett bostartspaket från Swedbank. Förra veckan.
Now he's starting to explore everything. Hello. Well, we have no cage and you can't sit on my shoulder all the time. So I made a little bench, food. You can sit and sleep here and you can bite me. No, not today.
Bite me.
And you can poop on this. Åh, så fin. No.
You don't like it, Ozzy? Ozzy's a bit afraid. Oh, Pee! Does he bite you? Did he bite you, Ozzy? Oh. Ozzy got scared. It's a frisky bird. I want to go out, says Ozzy. He doesn't want to be inside with that bird.
Någon vi kan prata med. Alla du nämner
Like a
är döda.
boat?
Bygger inget förtroende där.
Det finns bara en som kan veta.
He said wrong.
Den rumänska maffian.
Hello. Blowing a bit. Wow. Swinging a lot.
Blow dryer. B. Moscow
Berättat att det är de här karkaserna eller tjejerna, vad fan det är, som skulle ha vapnen som sätts nu, då tas fram honom.
Good weather today. So we have a new bird and that's flying all over. So we have to do something. Ozzy's outside and we have to have the door closed. So I come up with this. Sanna has been looking in the cupboard there for some mosquito net. So now he has an own cage with a food platform, sleeping platform, pooping plate, and this is for a door, so it's magnetic, so you can open here and take in and out. It can be out most of the time, but when we need to have the door open, like now, because it's very hot outside. There's Ozzy. He's chasing fishes as usual.
I
destroying the cage's weak points. I have escaped once. So even we have this bird cage taking up 1/3 of the boat, and he always want to be outside, and there is breadcrumbs, poop everywhere, so we cannot have a bird on the boat. So Sanna's checking out here a picture and the number on his ring on the foot, and we are going to go to a big pet store and ask them if they can take him for another home, or if they have a register of the number on the foot. It was the best thing, but we can't have him, or else we have to buy a small cage and some bird food, and perhaps we can sit in the town here and have a sign that says I need a new home, but we can't have him. It's too difficult on the boat. So now we're going to go to the pet store. Ozzy's waiting. Come on, let's go. As usual. Here is the main street, and now we are in Villa de Conde instead. And I know the vet store should be here. 75 euro, no, not for me. We go in and ask them. So in the pet store they said we can leave him there, and they're going to try to dispose of him. And she was happy that he had a number on his feet, so we can try and find the owner perhaps. So now we're going to go and fetch the bird. Wine box, bird box.
Yeah. Now, my friend, you are going to the pet store. They wanted you there. So I've made a flyer. They can hang it in the marina, not in the marina, in the pet shop.
Can you see him? No. He's quiet now. Gonna be a nice day today. Here.
Here's the flyer. They can,
Wanted.
dead or alive.
Here is the store. Sanna's happy.
No more screaming.
No,
bird.
now we're going home to clean
No.
some poop.
Yeah, no more poop or
No more birds.
Screaming bird.
No, it's not screaming,
No.
just singing.
No whistling more. If we don't teach Ozzy to whistle.
Oh, time to take the cage down. No more bird in this boat. Cage down. Let her poop. Last night's dinner. And then wash. Clothes. Towels. Everything.
It's
No.
good weather for drying anyway.
Yeah,
It's 24.4 degrees.
yeah.
So it's
So
very
I'm
warm.
all sweaty.
So now we're
Beer, beer.
here.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Good riddance.
Bekräftas att det är de här karkaserna eller tjejerna.
Before all drama with the cockatiel, we took a trip to Aveiro, and it was a fantastic day with a lot of sun, and it was very warm.
So today we're gonna do a little trip down to Leroy Merlin, buy some stuff, and we promised our boat neighbor to go and look at a boat place that he's thinking of going in a week. The dog, if you need the dog to eat in a hurry, some Parmesan cheese, then it's going down easier. Luxury dog. Well. Leroy Merlin, perfect for the dog. Some shadow. And here is our boat neighbor.
Looking for a screw.
Yeah.
Merlin. And buying a lot of stuff as usual. Welding equipment. And now he wants a high pressure washer.
Because the used one I brought was no good.
No. Do you see?
Yeah, so
What you like?
this one on the internet.
Yeah.
But
It's a lot of high pressure machines. Yeah.
a lot of stuff. You should say that there.
Yeah.
Oh.
Here's Aveda. Oh my gosh.
So we're here checking out. This is a private dock, but it's possible to lie here if there is a free spot, but you can't call them ahead and check. And what it looks like now, it's 2 spots over there, and maybe if you can go inside here, it's 2 or 3 spots more. So we talked to a guy on a boat, and he said there is only 2 spots for passage, and one was full now, and they have electrical wire over here. Pretty hot here in the square, and it's a lot of people. And we're waiting for the table. Yep.
Was it Saturday?
Yeah. I'm a bad YouTuber. I forgot to film the.
And do you both?
We were sitting there eating. I'm full.
Now we're gonna see if the car is 100 degrees or 200 degrees. Oh, see, stop. Here's the car. No, just 100 degrees. Up. Oh, all the way. All the way. Oh, hi. Back on the boat. Unpack our new toys. And something to drink. Yeah, so unboxing our gadgets. Welding mask. A couple of these for mounting my Starlink on my new racket. Sanna want to knit something this.
Yeah, I will try.
Yeah, and I don't know what.
You'll see.
I hope it's not gonna be good because it's quite expensive.
No, they are not expensive.
Welding sticks, rust-free, and rods, welding rods.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
think
This
so.
is quite heavy. It's a super small welding machine. It's nearly nothing. 140 ampere. I tried the neighbors yesterday, so I was so impressed, so I had to have one. Doggies. Receipts. One more bag. I'm gonna unbox this in a moment. A new small high pressure machine so Sanna can clean the boat thoroughly. Good. That's all, folks.
And that's all for this episode. And in the next episode we are going to celebrate a 60-year-old guy, a friend from Sweden. A whole bunch of people are coming tomorrow, so that's going to be very fun.
It's 25-26 degrees today.
Yeah, it's perfect weather. I hope it lasts, because it's tomorrow it's October. We'll see. What do you think? And that's enough for this episode, I think. It was a stressful week with a crazy cockatiel. So bye bye for now. Don't forget to click and like and subscribe.